Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make rock candy on a stick, easy method. Begin by boiling 3 cups water, then stir in 6 cups sugar until fully dissolved to form a supersaturated syrup. Cool slightly and pour into jars with prepared sticks that are wrapped in wax paper to prevent contact. Cover jars loosely and place in a cool, undisturbed spot for crystal growth over several days. Start by protecting the pot and workspace, because sugar syrup can splatter and stick. After dissolving sugar, skim any undissolved crystals from the rim to avoid premature seeding. Insert a clean stick with seed crystals suspended centrally, ensuring it does not touch jar sides. Store jars away from vibration and direct sunlight, checking daily to monitor crystal formation and remove any stray foam or sediment for a cleaner final candy. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy projects. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and saving, which pairs nicely with budgeting for kitchen experiments. I find it a friendly read between crystal checks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When problems arise, don't worry, many fixes are simple and effective. If wall crystals appear, reheat the syrup slightly and remove them before reintroducing your stick. Slow growth usually means the solution is not concentrated enough or the environment is too warm, so adjust accordingly. For cloudy syrup, strain while hot, then cool to the right temperature before seeding. Be patient. Consistent conditions reward you with beautiful crystals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.